We'll need Fevicol and 3 colored strips of paper. You can take any color of your own choice. Now here I'm going to use a weaving method, but there is a different type of weave, not the one I had done in the previous video. Just follow the steps carefully. Now I'm going to stick this on the blue strap and repeat the steps. Stick the end and we'll cut off the excess part. Now I've taken a blue strip of paper and just wrap it around the belt and stick it. And our beautiful band is ready. Now for the second band, we'll require 3 colored pieces of paper, scissors and Fevicol. Now here I've taken a blue strip of paper and green and pink color paper. Now I'll fold this pink paper into half and cut it out. I'll only use the half and fold it. Now I'll draw a circle. You can use any other tool to draw your circle and cut out the circle. We'll do the same with the green paper. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more notifications and like my video. Now just roll it slowly till the end. We are creating a flower. If you create any of the craft works by watching my videos, you can tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creativity. On the base, I'll stick it. And our flower is ready. Do the same with all the other pieces. Now taking the blue strap, I will stick the flowers that I created on the blue strap. And our beautiful band is ready.